Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can change a folder ownership, okay? Here in Windows 11 or any Windows version, you can see the properties option. If you right click on the folder and go to properties, you can see here, okay? So go to security, and security, in the security option you can see the permissions here, but go in advanced option. When you go in advanced option, just if you want to change the permission, you can change from here, okay? Change the permission, okay? So and go to advanced option. Let's go to advanced option, and now you can see here you can change the ownership from here, okay? If you click the change, it will ask the username or group name, okay? So go to advanced and find out, and now you can select your user, whatever user you want to select, and click ok, and it will change the ownership of the folder, okay? So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.